Hello friends, so today we are going to create exercises. I hope you enjoy. We are going to start by creating two circles, one with 60 diameter, another with 40 diameter, and it is extruded up to 70, 15, 30, 45, 55, 70. It is extruded up to 70. So let's start. File, new part, okay. Top plane, sketch, two circle, draw two circle, okay. Dimension, one with 60, okay, another with 40 millimeter, okay. Features, extrude up to 70 millimeter, okay. This is okay. So we are going to sketch this one side. Let's start from 15 from the base, and it is extruded up to 15, okay. Reference geometry, choose plane, okay, top plane, and start from 15, okay. Plane normal, choose line, okay, another line, okay. So choose line, start from this point, move back slowly to make semi-circle, okay. So check from this one up to this origin is 30, and from this origin up to this circumference is 30. It means it is 60, okay. From this one up to this we have 60, okay. You see, then insert this circle which has 10 diameter, and this outer semicircle have 20 diameter, 10 radius, okay. Sketch this has 10 radius, okay, and insert in a circle which has 10 diameter, okay. This, okay. Hold this center, hold control key with this origin, make it horizontal, okay. Select this line, control key with this circumference, make it tangent, okay. Select this line, hold control key with this circumference, make it tangent, okay. So it is fully defined, okay. So go to center point, act from origin, okay, move up like this, okay. It's okay. So isometric features, extrude both base, extrude up to 15, okay. 15, okay. Select contour and select this one, okay. You see, select plane height. Okay, so now we are going to add this part. It starts from part number 1 up to 15 and it is extruded up to 10. Okay, let's see. Reference geometry plane, choose top plane, and it is going to start up to 15, 30, 45. Okay, 45, you see. Okay, select plane normal, select line, choose line, start from this one. Okay, choose another line, from this one. Okay, choose line, select back, curve, semicircle. Okay, select this circumference, control key, select this, make tangent. Okay, select this one, hold control key, select this, make also tangent. Okay, select this one and this semicircle, make it tangent. Okay, so you see the distance from this origin up to this one is 16. Distance from this one up to this origin is 60. Okay, you see. Radius of this is 10 radius. Okay, insert inner circle which has 10 diameter, 10 diameter. Okay, okay, select this origin with control, vertical. Okay, make it vertical. Okay, let's see. Choose 3 points, center arc, start from origin, this point. Okay, you see, isometric, you see. Then features, extrude up to 10, you see, extrude up to 10. Select 10, so 10 millimeter. Okay, select contour, select this face. Okay, select plane height, choose height plane. So friends, this is how to design, create different parts by using Solidworks software. I hope you have enjoyed the video. So you can assign appearance, select parts by default, appearance, choose color, choose any color you want. Okay, so friends, this is how to design, create, sketch different parts by using Solidworks software. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.